Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into your PlayStation Network account and confirming you're online. This ensures your console can reach the cloud. Next, open Settings, go to Save Data and Game/App Settings, and enable Auto Upload. This automates backups. Make sure you have an active PlayStation Plus tier that includes cloud saves and verify your remaining storage percentage so you don't hit limits mid-transfer. Once done, you'll be ready to push existing saves to cloud storage immediately. You now manage the actual files. Navigate to Settings, Save Data, Console Storage, then Upload to Online Storage. Pick specific games or use Bulk Select to save time. When you encounter save conflicts, pause, compare timestamps and file sizes so you don't overwrite newer progress accidentally. If a game stores multiple user slots, expand and choose only the slots you need. Make sure uploads finish fully by checking the progress bar. Incomplete uploads won't restore correctly later. You finish by restoring and syncing saves. To download, go to Save Data in Online Storage and choose Download to Console Storage. Pick the correct user and slot. To sync across consoles, enable Auto Download and sign into PSN on the other PS4 or PS5, then download the saves. If something goes wrong, check the PlayStation Network status, confirm you have enough cloud quota, and test your network. Strict NAT or intermittent Wi-Fi often blocks transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.